Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Guys, your girl hasn't been well for some time now, so please bear with me on the voice that I'm using today. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, samosa, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on the screen. In today's video, we will be making potato and chicken samosa. Our ingredients for today's recipe include 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, grated nutmeg, 1 large red onion, 2 pieces of soft chicken seasoning powder, 6 Irish potatoes, and 2 cups of water. Let's get started. Peel the potatoes. And slice it into thin pieces. Now cut the potato into strips and then chop it into cubes. Put the chicken in a bowl, add some water and wash it thoroughly, then put it in the saucepan. I left the tail end of the chicken on it because in today's video we'll just debone the chicken and wouldn't use the skin. Now add the chicken seasoning powder and sprinkle some salt on it as well. Add some water to the chicken and bring it to a boil for 15 minutes. When the chicken is cooked, remove it from the stock and set it aside for 5 minutes so that you can debone it after it cools off the steam completely. These are the chicken pieces we obtained from deboning the chicken earlier. This is the chicken stock. Add some water to it and then pour in the chopped potatoes. Now stir it with a wooden ladle and bring it to a boil for 25 minutes depending on how tender or tough you like your potato to be. Here's our cooked potato. Chop the red onions into your preferred sizes and set it aside. Let's make the samosa wraps. Pour the flour into a bowl. Add the salt, nutmeg, and the baking powder. Then mix everything with your hands. Add some water to the dry ingredients and mix it with your hands. Continue mixing the crepe batter to ensure that there are no lumps in it again. This is my setup for today. It includes the crepe batter, the crepe maker and its attached plate, as well as a serving tray. Now pour the crepe batter onto the plate. Preheat the crepe maker for 3 minutes and then dip the surface into the batter and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. When the crepe is ready, flip it onto the serving tray and set it aside. Let's prep the vegetables we'll be using for the filling. Cut the spring onions, the green bell pepper, and grate the carrots. Then put all the veggies in the bowl containing the chopped red onions. Sprinkle some salt and add some water to it. Then wash the veggies and set it aside. Let's make the chicken and potato filling. Make a flour and water mixture which will be used in the preparation of the filling and also the folding of the wraps. Pour some oil into a frying pan and let it simmer for 3 minutes. Then add the chicken pieces into the simmering oil and Stir the chicken pieces together with the oil and let it fry for a few minutes. And add in the veggies. Now stir it together with the fried chicken pieces. Let the veggies fry until the water in it is drained totally. Now add in the cooked potatoes and stir it together with the veggies. And pour in 1/3 of the flour mixture and stir it together with the veggies and the potatoes. Our chicken and potato filling is ready. Let's fold the crepes or wraps into samosa pieces. Place one of the wraps on a chopping board. Fetch some of the filling onto it and fold the side of the wrap towards the middle part. Smear some of the flour and water mixture onto the edges of the crepe and continue with folding of the other part onto the middle. Then fold the bottom part onto the middle, and this is how to wrap the samosa. Continue the same process until all the crepes are wrapped properly. Then place it on the serving tray nicely. Now place the wrapped samosas in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour so that the samosa is secured and prevented from unwrapping when frying it. Pour some oil into another frying pan and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Gently add in the pieces of samosa and allow it to fry until a bit golden brown. And these are samosa pieces, very nice and crunchy. This is where today's video ends. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this every Thursday and Sundays. And guys, continue watching my videos and share it with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and help this channel grow. Stay safe until we meet again, guys. Bye bye.